All right, let's get right into this explainer because today we are unpacking an ancient technique designed to completely transform your body and your mind. I'm talking about Tummo breathing. And listen, this isn't just another light, relaxing meditation. This is a highly specific, intense practice designed to literally ignite your internal energy. If you've ever felt sluggish, physically stagnant, or just kind of disconnected from your own inner drive, this is absolutely for you.
Now you might be wondering, where does this come from? The core promise of Tummo breathing is achieving true mastery over your body's internal fire. This practice was originally perfected by Tibetan monks for a very practical, intense reason: surviving freezing extreme climates. Just imagine sitting out in a literal blizzard, yet generating so much heat from within that you're completely unbothered. That is the level of internal control we're looking at here. It's wild.
So how do we get there? Here's our roadmap to mastering this. We'll cover the power of Tummo, preparing your posture, the core breathing technique, the 3 escalating rounds, and finally, the secret energy lock. Let's dive in.
Step 1. The power of Tummo. Igniting the fire within.
What's really fascinating is that Tummo operates on dual levels simultaneously. On a purely physical level, it revs up your internal fire element to boost your metabolism, aid your digestion, and fully detox your system. But at the exact same time, on the pranic, or energetic level, it's clearing out stagnation. It actually wipes away those lower-level baseline desires and elevates your ambition. So you're detoxing your physical body while giving your mental and energetic drive a massive upgrade. Talk about a win-win, right?
Moving to step 2, preparing your posture. This is your foundation.
Okay, the crucial thing to understand here is that before we can even think about breathing properly, we have to align the vessel. You need a comfortable place to sit. Now, if you can sit cross-legged on the floor, fantastic. But if that's not accessible for you right now, sitting on a comfy couch is completely fine. The absolute non-negotiables are these next 2 parts. Your spine must be perfectly straight, and your chin has to stay parallel to the floor. Getting this posture dialed in ensures the breath can flow deeply into your belly and chest without hitting any roadblocks.
All right, step 3. The core breathing technique. Time to fuel the flame.
Remember, this is not passive, relaxing breathing. When you inhale, you want to pull that breath all the way down. Fill up your belly first, then let it expand upward to fill your chest and rib cage. Then, for the exhale, you're going to blow it out forcefully through pursed lips. Imagine you're blowing out a stubborn candle or literally trying to throw the air all the way across to your hand. And to really get the maximum benefit, you've got to exaggerate the movement. As you force the air out, pull your stomach in tight. By exaggerating these mechanics, inhaling fully to stretch the rib cage and pulling the stomach in hard on the exhale, you are basically pumping oxygen into your system like a blacksmith's bellows.
Step 4. The 3 escalating rounds. We are building the heat now. The actual practice is broken down into 3 escalating rounds where you progressively challenge your body. On the final inhale of round 1, you'll hold that breath in for 30 seconds. In round 2, you push it a bit further to 45 seconds, and on the third and final round, you're holding for a full 60 seconds before letting the air out with complete control. It's intense for sure, but that's where the magic happens.
So what exactly are you doing between these intense holds? Well, you don't just sit there twiddling your thumbs. After you release the breath, let your breathing return to normal and just sit in meditation for 30 seconds. During this break, you have a very specific job: visualization. You're going to visualize yourself as a completely empty vessel, an empty orb, and imagine a realistic, glowing candle lit right at the very base of your spine. Let's break that meditation down a little bit more. While you're resting for those 30 seconds, lock your focus directly on the Muladhara. That's the root chakra at the base of your spine. Picture that empty orb and that tiny flickering candle flame. Then, as you sit there, just imagine this flame growing bigger and hotter with every natural inhale you take. This visualization is absolutely key because it bridges the gap between your physical breathing and your energetic body. It takes all that oxygen and mechanical energy you just whipped up, focuses it at your root, and converts it into raw internal heat.
And finally, step 5, the secret energy lock, the multiplier. Now, for those of you who make it all the way to the 3rd round, the one with that massive 60-second breath hold, there's an ancient secret you need to know. Applying this final technique during your last breath hold actually makes the entire Tummo practice 5 times more effective. That's right, 5x. It takes everything you've just done and cranks the dial up to the absolute maximum. The secret is something called the Mula Bandha, or the root lock. At the very end of your final round, when you take that deep breath in and hold it for your 60 seconds, you are going to physically pull your perineum muscles upward. By engaging the Mula Bandha, you are effectively corking the bottom of the vessel. You trap all of that generated heat, the oxygen, and the energy you just worked so incredibly hard to build, sealing those benefits right into your body. Instead of the energy just dissipating into the room, it stays locked inside you, working to purify and elevate your entire system. But, like anything truly worth doing, knowing the technique is only half the battle, right? Doing it is the rest. As the source material promises, if you stick with me for 21 days, you'll see a brand new body and a brand new mind. Committing to this daily is what takes this from being just a cool breathing trick into a total physical and mental transformation. The compounding effect of doing this day after day is where the real, undeniable magic of Tummo lies.
So, we've laid out the mechanics, the mindset, and the ancient secrets. You now have the exact blueprint to detoxify your body, wipe away stagnation, and literally build a fire within your own biology. The only question left to ask yourself is, are you ready to put in the work? Will you commit to the next 21 days and actually unlock that inner fire? Because the power to completely transform yourself is right there, waiting in your very next breath.